This was the sound I was talking about here. Look at it here. This way, then you slash. This way. Okay. You can call it V upside down. V upside down. I'm talking about some words that actually go with that sound. That it deals with letters. We have letter O. O as in sun. As in sun here. We have S-O-N. And then N. Okay. Then we also have onion. So you say onion. N. Then, let's bring it down here. So you have onion. So we say onion. That's onion. Okay. Then we have come. So we say come. Okay. So we also have come. Then sun. Okay. We have some, as in, so we say some. Alright? And so many other words. So we also have letter U as, watch my mouth, as in. So we go ahead, we say sun again. So this one and the other one above, they sound alike. So you can say sun. See? Nut. Nut. Okay. Nut. Shut. So we say shut the door. Say shut the door. You say buttock. So you say and then buttock. We also say luck. Here we have luck. Then we also have blunt. So we say then t. Okay, we also have OU as in. We talk about country. So we say country. Talk about cousin.